Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Y7 from 2019, and I'll show you a couple secret codes that you can enter into your device to get access to specific things. So we'll start off by the About phone, which will give you general information about the device, and it will be like this. And once I press the last star, it will go automatically to the menu. So if you need to pause it to get the code, do so. As you can see from here, you have the build number, model, version, email. So yeah, if you want to go back, so we'll go back to the dialer without any problem. Now the second thing would be the calendar, and if you have anything put into the calendar, or let's say synced up with Google, it will give you information, and to use it, it will be like so. And once more, if I put the star in, it will go automatically to it. So if you need to pause it, do so. And from here, you will get the info, but there is nothing in the calendar on this device, so it just shows 0 events. So moving on, it will be the Google Play service, and same beginning, and this time 426, and once more. Oops, I actually messed up. 426. Okay, and now as you can see, and from here we have access to ping, connection, disconnect, and events, all associated with Google Play services. And you can tap on those tabs to go there. So the last thing would be the email, and this is the only thing that will start differently, and it goes like so, 06, and then so from here you have just the emails, and if you have 2 SIM trays, it will give you 2 of them, and if you have only one, if your phone only takes 1 SIM, it will only have 1 email. So basically those are all the secret codes, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.